Hey everyone, today I am checking out this mini HD camera, and this camera is perfect for indoor use. It's great as a nanny cam, it's great just for home security, and it has a lot of great features that I'm going to tell you all about. First of all, I want to show you this super small size. So look how tiny this camera is. It's nice and small, so you can really put it anywhere. You could hide it if you wanted to, and it does have this protective film that comes right off and shows exactly how clean and clear this camera is. So this camera actually has a 160-degree view, and it has night vision, so you can see even at night, super clear picture of what is going on in your home. So you can also see that it has this QR code. You're going to scan that when you set up the camera, and that is going to connect the camera to the app. This does have cloud storage, and it has 3-day free cloud storage if you wanted to set that up. Or you can also use an SD card, which you could put right there. You slide the SD card in that slot, and it's going to just record to the SD card and save all of the information, all of your videos right there. It has all the buttons on the bottom. Here's the off, here's the on, there's a USB for charging it, and the reset button. So this camera actually has a 100-day battery. So you're not actually gonna have to charge it that often, but it does come with a charging cable, which is right in here. And it also comes with a tripod. So this is a nice little tripod. So you can just screw this right onto the bottom of the camera, screw that on, and then you can adjust the angle to suit your needs and get that clear picture. It does have a sticker on the bottom. You can peel that off, stick it to a wall, stick it to a table so that it doesn't move, and it's nice and secure. This little thing right here just tightens it so it doesn't move at all, and you are ready to go. So let's plug this camera in, take a look at how it works, and test out the video.
So powered on the device, scan the QR code on the device. And then you're going to use the camera to scan the QR code on the camera. So you use the camera on your phone and scan that QR code. Then you're going to enter the SIM card, and then it's going to connect to the network. Once you have it loaded, you can see I actually have 2 cameras on this app, so you can have multiple cameras, but I'm going to open up the one that we just installed, and look at this. It just goes right away, connects automatically. So you can just take a look while it's connecting at all the different things you can do. So it has motion detection, it has that intercom, so you have two-way talk, it does have a siren function, a screenshot, you can manually record if you'd like, and you can flip it to horizontal mode for full screen mode, so which I just did. You can also set those night visions, and you can set a human frame. So if you set that frame, you are going to be able to tell the camera exactly where to look, and if a human enters that space, it's going to send you an alert so that you know that there's a person in your house or just in the space that you've selected. So once it's connected, you can see all of these things on real time through the app, so you can actually watch everything, and you can also set it to record on that SD card. You can change it to be super HD, which I always like, so that you get the absolute clearest picture possible. Again, that will take up a little bit more storage, but it's no problem at all, especially if you have that SD card or if you have the cloud storage on the app. So you can see right here, live action, how clearly this is in real time right through the app. I am also just going to show you just a close-up of this video just to see how crystal clear this picture is. This is just regular vision, not the night vision. But again, this is such a good camera. It is so super small and just gives you such a nice wide angle. It has the time and date stamp up top there, which I also love because you can tell exactly when everything is happening in your house and on the camera. So give this a try. I think you're going to really like this security camera. It's a really great option for in-home monitoring.